in India added 12,213 fresh COVID cases in the last 24 hours, witnessing a 38.4% jump from 8,822 cases which were recorded yesterday. In Delhi, the positivity rate is 2.35%, and the government advisory panel, NDTV, is going to be meeting to review data on vaccines for the age group of 6 to 12. But a jump in the COVID cases, and it's gone above 10,000 for the first time since February. So a worrying trend there. Let's go across to Vedant now for more. And Vedant, we're seeing an increase in cases in Delhi and Mumbai as well.
That's right, Gargi. India has been witnessing a rapid surge in COVID cases, particularly in the past 3 weeks. Now, India today, of course, has crossed the 10,000 mark and also reported 15 COVID-related deaths. Now, these are, of course, worrying figures, but what do these statistics really mean? Now, today, India reported over 12,000 cases, which is highest in 3 months. Now, what is also worrying, of course, is that the weekly positivity rate is also, of course, rising, and it is now almost at 2.5%. Now, remember, Maharashtra accounts for the highest number of cases in India, and Mumbai has been witnessing a steep rise in COVID cases. The national capital, of course, also, Gargi, has been reporting more than 1,000 cases for 3 consecutive days now. And these states are followed by Karnataka, Kerala and Haryana. Now, remember, yesterday, Gargi, we reported the death of a 4-month-old baby due to COVID. Now, of late, there have been concerns over child infections and child deaths due to COVID. Now, given that there is a global push for child vaccinations, the good news is that a US panel has approved a Pfizer vaccine for the youngest children. Now, talking about vaccinations back home, a government advisory panel, as you said, Gargi, is going to be will be meeting today on vaccinations. They will be discussing vaccinations in general and child vaccinations in particular. The government has been pressing on the precaution dose, and the gap between the second dose, and the precaution dose is also likely to be reduced. Now, there have been concerns over an emerging variant and a possible 4th wave. Now, with these concerns, the government has come up with a 5-fold strategy. Now, the focus, of course, of this strategy is genome sequencing. The message to the nation is loud and clear: to mask up and get vaccinated.
All right, Vedant, thanks so much for joining us.